We are at the Beaumont National Park here in Sterling Heights. Dover impulse, and you can see it blew up the shaft. Let's go up to 2. Wow, what a motor! Look at those brails, wow. If we look up the shaft, the interlock was, so we'll go back down to 1. Wow, what a motor. I love impulse. Phone. Let's go back up to 2. Here we go. Come on in.
Hello. Thank you.
Come right on in. Down to 1.
Yep.
I like elevators, this is what I like to do.
Oh, okay.
It's my hobby, yeah. It's got a really good motor.
What do you look for?
The interior, the buttons, how it's working.
Oh, is that right?
Yeah, they don't make these buttons anymore, so they stopped in about the early 2000s, yep.
Maybe you should be an elevator repair person.
That was the goal. That was the goal a while back.
They never panned out, huh?
Yeah,